In this video, I'm going to give a demonstration on how to program the flows of a TFT display, the 3.5 inch TFT display. So you need to supply 24 volts to the 100 and 1000 terminals on the terminal board, 100 being the positive terminal and 1000 the negative one. So this is the screen that appears. So let me just power it off and on again. So when you power the display for the first time, the information saved on the flow 00 appears on the screen. So there are two buttons. The one close to the logo is the enter button, and the one close on the other side is the up button. Press and hold the enter button. So on the first programming page, you see display image. So you can change the background image by pressing up. So I'm pressing up once, and I'm going through the background images. So after you get the background image that you desire, press enter once, the button close to the logo. So you'll see cut and flow 0. So this is the first flow, and right now the information saved is -1, and this little line indicates where we are on the digits, on which digit we are on right now. So we are on the left digit right now, and if we want to change that to, let's say, A1 or B1 or whatever we want to use, we can do that using the enter button, the up button. The up button is here once. So I'm changing through the numbers. So let's say I want it to be B1. Okay, that's B1. Say basement 1, or let's just say -1 to avoid any confusion. I can go back to -1. So this is -1. Now if I press enter, I move to the digit on the right. Now I want it to stay as 1, so I'm not going to change it, but you can change it. So I want it at 1, so I'm going to press enter one more time. Enter. And I'll move to, so I pressed enter twice, and I move to flow 01, flow 1. So this is the second flow. I want it to be 00. Now because so the building has -1, 0, 1, 2. This is an example. So the other one I made it -1. This one I need it to show 0, just 0 on the flow. But if I program it as just 0, it's going to cause problems on the screen. So I need to program it as 00. So right now it's 00, and since I want it like that, I'm going to press enter. So I'm in flow 2. Now the little line is on the left digit, so I can change that digit using up. So I'm changing that digit. I actually want it as 01. So I'm going to take it back to 01. So 0. Then I press enter once, and I move to the right digit and keep it at 1, and press enter again. Sorry, I pressed up, so let me just take it back to 1. So I want it as 0, 1. So I'm going to press enter once, and I move to flow 3. Now we can see here that flow 3 has the wrong information saved. It's written 42. So let us change it to 02, because the third flow is going to be 02. So it started at flow 0. So flow 0 was -1. Flow 1 was 0. Flow 2 was 1. Now flow 3 is supposed to be 2. So now the little line is being blocked by the number 4. So I'm just going to press up. You see the little line now appears. I'm going to take it to 0. You can hold it to go faster. Hold the up button. I wanted to show that. So 02. If I press enter once, I'm going to move to the right digit. Press enter again, I'm going to move to the 4th floor. Now let's say we are done inputting all the information, the floor labels that we want to be displayed on each floor. After setting up, you press and hold enter, so the button that is close to the logo, you press and hold, and all the settings that you have made are going to be saved on the display, and it goes back to the first flow that is saved because we haven't connected to any control panel right here. So this information is going to be supplied, so the flow position information is going to be supplied using binary or gray code from the control panel. That is all when it comes to setting up the display, programming the labels of the display, the flow labels of the display.